Hey guys, I'm going to show you what it means if it says your snaps and chats are pending until someone adds you as a friend. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Snapchat here and just go to my chats. Now, if I send a chat to one specific person who I have tried to become friends with on Snapchat, but they haven't added me or accepted my friend request, you'll see something that looks like this. It'll say this gray. Your snaps and chats are pending until this person adds you as a friend. So if we go back to Snapchat here, and if I try to send a chat, they might potentially have blocked me or just not confirmed that I'm one of their friends and to connect with me. So what you can always do is you can go to that person's profile here and see if there is an option to friend request them. If there is, of course, requests to be friends with them, you can always tap the three dots at the very top right here and then hit Manage Friendship. And there is an option if you want to. If it seems like a bug is causing this, you can remove the friend, tap Remove Friend, and then add them back again. Because sometimes Snapchat has a bug where it might show as pending, but actually you're both friends and they want to receive that message, but they're not able to receive that message. So just remove them as a friend and search for them, and add them back as a friend, and you should be able to send messages that way. Otherwise, you'll just have to wait until they accept your friend request, until you'll be able to chat with them. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.